What is going on, my Sasson Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Welcome to the Sasson Moto channel. Today your boy has been in the funk all morning, so hence why I started the vlog now. I had to stop, give me some coffee, shake it off. Story time. This morning I woke up, I was feeling kind of weird, kind of out of it, not feeling like myself. I don't know how many of you guys ever experienced this. Some people are very open about it, some people are very closed about it. The people that I know that go through stuff like that, it's like pulling teeth to get that information out of them, to tell, you know, to open up. As for me, I like to open up after the fact once I start feeling better, which is, it kind of sucks. It's good to talk about it, get things off your chest. But as a human being, we all go through stuff, and this morning I was just kind of feeling it. Like, I didn't feel right, I wasn't feeling like myself, and it was hard for me to get out of bed. So the first thing what I usually do is get out of bed, take a shower, get my day started, and let's go. It took me forever to get out of bed. That's number one. Number two, I felt super sluggish. I didn't want to get up. I didn't want to do anything. So I figured, you know what, maybe I should go hop on the bike and vlog about this. If you guys go through similar situations, please comment below. Type in below, what do you go through? What do you guys do to take care of these moments that bring you down? Everybody has, I feel like everyone should have an outlet of some sort. Right now, this is my outlet. So I said, you know what, I forced myself out of bed, forced myself to get myself going. I said, a nice cold shower should do it. Usually I take a hot shower. I said nice cold shower should do it. It woke me up a bit. Grabbed my gear. I'm taking a nice little chill ride just around town. I said, let me go stop, make a quick stop at Wawa. It's the first place I could think of, and have like a coffee. I was gonna eat something, but my hunger isn't there. I still haven't eaten. It is now 3:30 in the afternoon, and I still have not eaten anything. That's one thing I'm gonna have to force myself to eat. But yeah, we all go through scenarios and situations. It was kind of cool. A guy kind of approached the bike, was looking at it. And I was like, yeah, that's my bike, and we got into the conversation. He said, yeah, I really like this bike, and so on and so forth. So, you know, the conversation like that, it got me out of the funk. I'm an extrovert type of person. I like to converse about, especially about bikes. When it comes to about bikes, music, and guitars, and sometimes movies, those are the kind of things that I like to engage on. It keeps my mind focused and away from everything, you know, like from all the negativity. I spoke to my brother this past weekend, and I remember someone had said, an idle mind is the devil's playground. It didn't register to me right away when I heard that, but as I've gotten older, it kicked in, and like, oh, that makes sense. So this is me not keeping my mind on idle. Stay focused on the positive. So we're here at the place where I'm supposed to live at, and they are moving extremely fast. Get out. Now I gotta find mine. If I find 38, wow, these guys are moving extremely fast. Wow. Yep, they are moving really fast. All right, just 22, 23. I wonder if wow, that is insane. Like, look, they're already working on the inside. That's crazy. It says 36, 37, 38. There it is. All right, let's make a quick stop here. I'm not supposed to go in, but I don't care. You guys are gonna follow me in here. Yo, these builds, they are moving extremely fast. Okay. So let's look at this. So it says 38 here. This is supposed to be my spot. So, wow, this is dope. This is supposed to be my spot. Yeah. Okay, that's where the stairs are supposed to go upstairs. I don't know. You guys think this will be done by you think this thing will be done by November? Comment below and let me know. Also comment below about how do you deal with your emotions when you're feeling down? What do you do? Because it could help me out. That's something that could help me out as well. So throw comments below. Go crazy with it. Also, that thumbs up, because it helps out with the algorithm. Oh, jeez. I feel like a hooligan. Like I'm breaking the law. Kind of, sort of, I am, but I don't care. So, open door into the garage. What's up, guys? This is the garage. Yeah. It's perfect. It looks a little small. Oh, do I have a window? Oh gosh, I don't know if I want people peeping in to see what I got. They have a bigger opening on theirs. Yes, guys, so this is supposed to be my new crib. I mean, obviously not now in November when it's supposed to be ready, but this is pretty dope. They're moving very fast, very, very fast. So this is supposed to be like an open lanai is what they call it. Funny story, I didn't know what a lanai was. I used to call it the back porch. Us people live in the city of New York, we don't call it lanai. It's like, yo, we just go to the back porch, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do things. In Puerto Rico, you don't have a lanai either. It's just the porch. No matter how you look at it. Side, upstairs, downstairs, it's a porch. But in the yard, a porch. More bricks, baby. Oh, these are light. Holy Christmas, these things are super light. Yep. I'm excited. Ooh, look at the blue. Oh, that's looking really good, man. That's looking really, really good. There you go, guys. Tahokua, that's what it's called. You got Pulte. Oh, that's for Pulte. Pulte, Lennar. Okay, so Pulte's on the left, and Lennar's on the right. That's interesting. So two different type of builders, but apparently it's all the same stuff anyways. All right, this is dope. Well, you guys have seen enough of this community. You know what? I'm gonna go further down just to check it out because I am curious to know. Oh, this seat is gonna be hot. Oh, yes, it is. Get in neutral, baby. Oh, I have to lift my butt up because it's hot. Good googly moogly. I have to stand up on the pegs because that seat is hot. I'm gonna go further down just to check it out. Oh my gosh. Look at this. They're going all the way down. That's crazy. That is insane. Look, they keep going all the way over. Is that unreal or what? And they're still building. How far is this street gonna be? This is all brand new builds, all of it. There's a turn for that one. I don't know if that's gonna continue. Yeah, and look, it's gonna go all the way back. This place is gonna be massive. Massive. And it continues that way. Holy mother of Christmas. Oh crap. I wasn't paying attention to that. Don't fall, don't fall. That's nuts. That is insane. All this, look at this, man. This place is gonna be extremely massive. Probably overpopulated. But it's gonna be dope, I feel. Yeah, I'm gonna love this area. I really am. I'm a people person and it's gonna be dope. 38, baby, right there. Let's go. That's gonna be me. Let's go. So I know this video is a little bit longer than I anticipated it to be. I've been vlogging for a minute. This is going to take me a while to edit. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being part of the Salso Moto family. Keep the two wheels down if you can. If you don't, be safe. Wear your gear. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.